Hey everyone, this is Skylar here with Tagcandy, and I'm so excited about what I'm going to share with you guys. This is a software that's absolutely brand new. It's going to change the way everyone does social media forever. I mean, here's the reason why. Hashtags have become one of the dominant ways of communicating through all social media, and it's only growing bigger. You're starting to see them on billboards, products, TV. You're seeing hashtags almost everywhere because it's coming the dominant way of speaking through all social media platforms. It's a perfect branding technique for companies, large companies, small companies, you name it, right? But it's also a really good method of being able to get your postings that you make through social media, any way to drive traffic, more followers to whatever it is you're posting, right? So let me give you an example of what we're doing here, right? We've developed a hashtag analytics software tool that not only analyzes what's behind a hashtag, what kind of audience it is, when they're posting, who's posting, what's the emotions being played out, but this also is going to recommend the hashtags that you need to use when you're making a posting on your social media account, right? So let me go ahead and go in here and show you guys how this is done, right? So if you go in here, you'll see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, YouTube, and then you'll see your profile, support, contact us here if you need anything as far as support goes, any questions. We also have a frequently asked questions page. I'm going to go ahead and click on Twitter and type in weight loss, since I'm trying to target anyone who's interested in weight loss, because let's say I'm a weight loss blogger and I'm trying to sell these protein shakes or these weight loss pills, right? So I'm going to go ahead and hit search, and I'm going to wait for this to load, but I have it actually loaded here because it takes a sec for this to load, right? So if I go here in the overview, I can see how many iPhones have used this, how many Androids have used this when they're posting something associated with weight loss, right? So I know that 7% of the users in the last hour have used their iPhone to post anything about weight loss. Android users 4%. PC is 90. So we know that most of our audience is going to actually be on their PC. So that's a good sign, right? We know that 86% of them are males, right? So that's very good. If I was trying to sell like a protein shake, maybe males are trying to get more bulky and gain more muscle, right? So if I go into the analytics, I can see the kind of activity that's being played out in the last hour. This is how many postings that have been made in the last hour for each dot. You can click on there and see how many tweets have been made. If I go into the HEO section, I can see what are the top hashtags associated with weight loss and which ones I should be using, right? So you have weight loss, fitness, health, fat, tutorial, diet, workout, food, healthy, exercise. So if I'm posting anything about weight loss, these are probably the best hashtags to use. If I go into trends, with weight loss also, by the way, in the HEO section, you can see the top locations and the most commonly used language. So if I go into trends, I can see some people that have made postings and what they're posting about. I can also hit this button, see more, click on their Twitter account if I wish to see what they're posting about. Then I can go ahead and I can see how many followers are following weight loss, listed, favorited, retweeted. If I click onto the emotions, I can see how many people are positive towards the hashtag, how many people are negative. I can see the analytics overall as far as positive and negative goes. We can see the postings that have been made, positive and negative postings, the positive and negative words associated with weight loss, positive hashtags, negative hashtags associated, influencers, users. We go into the interests. We can see the interest words that are being associated with weight loss. So I mean, there really is no limit here. You can pretty much know your audience down to the T, right? What they're talking about. Are they male? Are they female? Where they're located? What times of the day are they most active? And this is really great, obviously, for any business who's really trying to, post anything towards their niche, like weight loss, for example, and they're trying to gain a large audience, a large amount of followers. Well, this is the exact way that you need to do it. So the great feature that we've added in here, which is a post scheduler, right? In this post scheduler, we can go ahead and say something like lose weight with our brand new weight loss shakes, right? And let's say I'm gonna go ahead and say at maybe www lose weight with Skylar, right? Lose weight with Skylar.com. Whoops. Okay, so then I can go ahead and click on HEO optimize, right? And it's going to give me the best hashtags associated with weight loss, fitness, and health, right? So I can go ahead and drag in some more. Let's say I want fat. I have 24 characters left, so I'm going to put in workout as well. I'm going to put in I'm going to put in diet, right? And let's see if I can fit in exercise. No. Okay, hold on. So let's say I put in food, right? So we have lose weight with our brand new weight loss shakes. Lose weight with Skylar.com, weight loss, fitness, health, fat, workout, diet, food, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on a time that I want this to be scheduled. So I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow. And since it's 8:05 p.m. and if I look here at the analytics, I can see that the analytics right here, there's 26 tweets made that was about 50 minutes ago. So about 7:10 is probably the best time to make this posting. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 7, and I'm going to post it at 7:05 to play it safe p.m. right? And I'm going to select the time zone, which would be America. Let's see. Click on America. And I'm going to click on closest city to me. Or the closest time zone. Let's put Puerto Rico, right? So now that I have that, I can go ahead and just click schedule my post, right? So it says, awesome, your post will be scheduled for tomorrow at 7:05 p.m., right? And what's great about this, guys, is tomorrow I don't have to worry about it. This is complete autopilot. They're going to post my link for me on Twitter tomorrow at 7:05 p.m. when there's a lot of people that are searching weight loss, diet, food, all these other hashtags. So the reason why this is so great, guys, we're going to give you a guide and we're going to show you how to use this software step by step towards your business, and you guys will gain a massive audience through hashtags, through your following. So you're going to gain more followers on all your social media platforms. You're going to create more engagement, and you're going to get more traffic to your website. You're going to build search engine optimization at the same time. So you're going to start ranking Google. And on top of that, you're going to start generating more sales, right? Which means that you're in business. You're going to make money from this. So go ahead and click the button below. Get started. Put in your email. We're going to email you the guide and the link to get started today. We'll talk to you later.